Visual reasoning related questions from TCS point of view. I think this question we already discussed. First one, no, no. Okay, let's see what will come next. And problem in options, they don't give A, B, C, D directly. First one D, second one B, third one C, A, like that they shuffle. Put that by seeing that number letter. Okay, here you may mark first one, but answers options 1, 2, 3, 4, that it may not be the same. Make sure about it. Now what will come next? D. One excellent logic actually. Okay. Option D. Okay. Now if you observe what comes to the middle, you know, first this corner, this one interchanged. Next one, these two interchanged. Next one, these two interchanged. Next one, these two should interchange. So center will be that and this will be here. And okay, after interchange, is it reverse or not? That also we need to identify. Arrow mark comes to middle as it is only. This one came to middle as it is. So this one came to middle. Okay, fine. When it is interchange, after that symbol is reverse or not? No, it will be same place only. So we need downside. That's there in option D. You check it out once. Is that correct or not? My simple logic is okay. Those two interchanging. Top left, if you see that interchange, see the next one. Next one, middle, center. I'm talking about center. Center will be okay. First top left, then top right. Okay. Or else put in this way, simple. I'm saying center. Center will be what? Which will comes in the top left first. This one. Okay. This came to the center next. First time this one came to center next. Second time this position came to center. Third time this position came to center. Fourth time this one came to center. When that come to center as it is, there is no change in the symbol. Now if this goes to center, means okay, it will become, this one should go to the center. It should be like this. Okay, that's there in only two options. We have a doubt regarding A and D. Among A and D, which one, sir? First, are you getting that center one? I'm seeing position, center position. Which is coming to center position is first the top left came, then the top right came, then bottom right, then bottom left. Which is there, that is coming to that center. Next, okay, among this A and D, which is varying here, here T, here arrow mark, here arrow mark. Okay, only this one, right? This symbol is interchanging, right? Okay, now how it looks in the question, 2 times up, 2 times down. Okay, when it comes, yeah, that also we need to observe what type of symbol we should keep there. After interchanging, yeah, you can observe that arrow marks also interchange. This T also interchanged. See, this come down. When it came down, T here, fine. It is reversing also. This is upward. It came to downward when it goes to that one. This is also upward. It came to downward. This is also upward. It came to downward symbol. So we need to have that glance. Now, is it upward symbol or downward symbol is required? So after which place it's changing also important. When that is upward become downward symbol. Top come to bottom, bottom came to top. Which one now is it A or D? I'll just remove this also. You decide. That bottom left is the problem. Bottom left one. Okay, whether it is downward side, upward side. And you have a clarity, arrow mark upward direction, downward direction is also available. Circle with upward side, downward side available. So when it is changing also you need to have a glance. After moving to one position, it is interchanging. This ARD, A and D both. arrow you observe, okay, this went to this place, this went to this place, this should come to this. It should be like D only, it seems, when it moves from center to other position, or else you have a look like this. This one came to, okay, this one goes to top left. It's same, no change. This one goes to top right, no change. This one goes to top bottom right, no change. And this one next should goes to bottom left. But left side after that, is it changing? That's what perception in everywhere. When it goes to that bottom left side, after next moment, is it changing its symbol? If you go to bottom left, after that, is it changing the symbol? Up arrow, down arrow. T in upside become T in downside. In next moment, it is going to change on. Okay, the position side we are seeing. I think among options, best suitable it seems D only. These two are interchanging is what my simple logic is. These two interchanged. Next, these two interchanged. Next, these two interchanged. Now, these two should interchange. Symbol should be as it is. Symbol should be as it is, it seems. It's like D is the suitable amount. Series, they are involving all these concepts in that. So, we need to be very much careful. It looks D only suitable. In that bottom left, here, we need to worry about those two symbols. I think this one we discussed. Gap, I think last recent class only we discussed, it seems. No? Yes or no? Done or not? What should come next diagram? Yes or no, you tell me. This one completed or not? Not completed. Here also have good logic actually. Between dot and that one, how much gap here? How many cells gap here? See clockwise, one gap. Here between dot and this one clockwise, two gap. Between this dot and this one, how much gap? Next one, three gap. Next should be four. Clockwise, clockwise, one, two, three. Clockwise, one, two, three, four. Clockwise, one, two, three, four. This is also suitable. Clockwise, 1 and 2. A eliminated, B eliminated. Between the dot and that shaded part, how much gap? If you see, first one cell gap, clockwise I am seeing 2 cells gap, then 3 cells gap, next 4 cells gap. It can be A or D. Next one, how can we decide among B and C and D cell? Shaded. Between two shadings things only, if you just check it out. Here, this shade, only this one is filled. Gap is that. This one gap, okay, wherever dot is there in previous, that's simple. Dot here, next time shading in that one. Previously, wherever dot is there, next time shading in that one. Second one, dot wherever is there, third diagram shaded that part. In third diagram, where date is, dot is there, shading should come. So, these. Okay, this dot that is shaded here. You just see. And here dot, that part only shaded here. Which part dot is there in previous diagram? Next diagram, that part only they shaded. And one more is okay, this gap, one gap, two gap, three gap, clockwise. Series. So they are not giving regular questions, they are giving some bit next level questions only. We need to work on it. Here, series. What will come next? This is all previous questions. If it is done, please let me know. Okay, or else we'll have a discussion. What will come next in that? Visual reasoning. This is why, without your confirmation, we started discussing, because They are asking bit next level questions, not like regular one. They are asking some questions which is bit valid. Cubes and dice we already discussed long back. That I am not focusing on that now. Unfold that dice, that video given and everything is there with you. You just go through that. I always suggest you to see certain position, whether it may be center or in top right something. Some position wise you analyze. Let's say the center. Center, let's focus on center. Center one, this triangle is before which one? Top left, right? Center I am focusing now. This triangle is before in the star is before, this is before diagram. So this should be center. Okay, center is okay, fine, at least okay, that is also time waste for us. Which is different in the options because hexagon is there everywhere, waste of time. So hexagon, waste of time. So this is waste of center, I think at least one option will eliminate with the bottom center. Bottom center, okay, what is that? What is then the bottom center? Right side one will come to bottom center. Before diagram, what is right side? It came to bottom center. So what should be there? Star. Okay, at least one option eliminated. Right. Then bottom left triangle common. Waste of analysis. Bottom left. Top left you calculate. Top left at least one option will eliminate. In fact, that's the one which is I think yeah, at least one option, whether it is square or circle. Top left you observe. Top left, what is there here? Star. Before that, top left, top left, top left. New symbol is coming. One new symbol should come in top left. That's what the analysis. So new symbol means square, circle is old symbol. Eliminate. This is old one. Already exists. In top left side, but that's what see, they are not giving easy question. Visual reasoning, we may feel series means very easy like that, but they are asking some tricky questions like this. Okay. Now among these two, B and D, which position is the problem? Bottom right also waste. Top middle or top right? Top right side, if you see, top right side, what is that? Okay, symbol, find here arrow mark. That's in this C. Bottom left came to top right side actually. If you observe, bottom right, next step it goes to here, but with 45 degrees clockwise direction. Arrow top, it came to arrow right side, not directly. You observe what is the bottom left here? Arrow. Top right is arrow only, but 45 degrees clockwise rotation. 90 degrees, not 45, 90. 90 degrees clockwise. 90. Rotation is happening. Now here, this is horizontal line. When you do, it will go to vertical line. Horizontal line, if you do 90 degrees, rotation will goes to vertical. Here horizontal out, option D. See that analysis, how things are moving from one to another. Particular position, that too, have a look in the options. We wasted 10 seconds time by seeing the center. Every center is hexagon, they're waste of time. So first look into the options as well, where we are going to save time. Which position we need to see to decide the answer. How we eliminated this A option? Top left side should be some new symbol which will not exist before. Some new symbol always should come on the top left. They're adding some new symbol. So with that, A eliminated. C eliminated with the center place. Okay, and now finally we eliminated B with the top right. Okay, so almost see every option. Okay, if you see two options, anything, only one element differ, remaining all almost same. Here almost copy, one symbol or two symbols only hardly vary. So which is varying, you focus on that. Definitely at least you need to analyze two elements. With one element not able, at least two elements, we are able to decide the answer. Next one, Analogy. First two diagrams, some logic. The same logic we have to apply for next two diagrams. Analogy concept. In that visual reasoning video, I given you series analogy as well. But here they are asking this type of questions in your exam. Analogy can be very easy. Some difficult questions also they can frame. Now see this. B, A and C eliminated because original shape we cannot get as this. Original shape is this, it's not there. So original shape is this, we cannot take that S as this. B or D. Fine. What is mirror image for that? What is water image for that? I think they think when they applied mirror image, right went to left. If you apply mirror image for this, left side will come to right side, like this it will come. So we want that one shape. Okay. This one, this one, this one, this one. So they started from left to right. So if we start from here, it should be left side incline. Okay. We need some dot here. D wrong. B suitable. B is suitable directly with that S shape if you observe. Okay, this side shaded right. Okay, this is mirror image is this one. If you observe, I'm focusing only one element. Left side one mirror image. Mirror image means your right will goes to left, left will goes to right side. If you apply for this symbol, the mirror image as the right element, that's available only in one option B. Only in B option that's available. Mirror image for that. Mirror image, what it will do? Your left side comes to right side. Sir, left side incline. Now it should incline in right side. So bottom right side dot is there. Now bottom left side dot should come. Okay, that should be reverse way. Okay, mirror image will do. Your right will come to left, left will go to right. That's how the story will go. So option B is correct. Next one, again analogy. Some logic they applied in first page. Understand that logic and apply for the second page. This is the second page. Second page, after that what will come? This is the question. First page they did something. See, this just wrapped it and shading also interchange. So first the top should be circle without shade, rectangle. That is directly deciding option C, right? They interchange top two symbols, then they shaded. Okay, so in fact, right side should be shaded part that directly eliminate B and D, and they need to swap the elements in row. Okay, row wise they are swapping, not what column wise. Maybe next time they ask the same question, column wise swapping also they can do. That's also a chance you need to work on it. Next one, here, this is the question, options are here. Analogy, best suitable one. I think you need to zoom that in fact because there is some minute things to be considered. I just want to say this is plus symbol. At least I'll just show this is dot here. This is plus symbol. Here also plus symbol. And in fact, in middle plus now, outside dot is there. Whereas here middle is plus, outside is dot. Middle one dot become plus, outside plus become dot. Now here, okay, here options, this is dot internally. Okay, we need dot internally plus outside. Every option is like that only. All options are in that fashion only. Among A, B, C, there is no other D option there. Only three are available. Is it A or B or C? Here one more thing, if you observe, check once. This is circle shape. Listen. This is circle shape. Internally, we have a rhombus. Internally, rhombus is there. Now, inside is circle. That rhombus they rotated, it becomes square. Internal shape came to outside. Outside shape went to inside. Inside rhombus or square that came to out. Outside symbol square. Circle that came to inside. Now here, one rhombus, one is square. Okay. Now outside should be one. Okay, one outside square means inside should be rhombus. I think that B is suitable, and quilting also everything bit possible with D. D is best suitable among all. You check once. We need internal shape should come to external. External should come to internal likewise. B is best suitable among that. And there is some inclinement. Okay, incline. Left side come to right side 45 degrees clockwise. That shading part 45 degrees clockwise. 45 clockwise means it goes to the corner. Corner thing shaded. Among options, okay, B is best suitable. Among options, if you observe, B is best suitable. Okay. And in exam one, you have an option to zoom the screen as well. Okay, when there is a dot or everything, if you want to go for in detail, you can zoom the screen also, no issues. But one observation you have to know, inside dot initially, but next diagram outside is dot. Okay, whereas outside plus symbol, here it become inside plus symbol. That observation. Internally circle or external circle, that changing. That observation is important. They are changing like something they are doing there. And there is one more thing. The shaded part is not in the same position. It is at, okay, you can say 350 degrees, that is 360 degrees vertical. 45 degrees clockwise rotation happen. Here also vertical means then it should be do 45 degrees clockwise. In fact, all options they did, okay, except A. A is blunder mistake. Among B and C, shaded portion area is okay, but fine. But D, C eliminated. Why C eliminated? Outside shape and inside shape both are same. No, outside and inside are different there. Previously circle and rhombus. Okay, rotating we can observe. So how it become? Some of you may ask how it becomes square. This is 45 degrees rotated, right? This is this side. It rotated 45 degrees. Okay, if the line is like this. Okay, our line is like this. If you do rotate 45 degrees, it will become vertical. Like this, it will rotate 45 degrees, it will come to vertical. This is okay. Here to here 90. Here to here 45. If you do 45 degrees, this cross line will become vertical. That's why this rhombus cross line will come to vertical. It will be square only. Okay, 45 degrees, that's what shaded portion, that are in important. Shaded portion where it is, it's rotated to other position, that is 45 degrees clockwise. I hope you know the angles. Okay, in short, if you want to understand those part also, I'll just mention you here. 1 to 2 is 45 degrees, 2 to 3 45, 4 to 5 45, 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8. Okay, one position you move, it's 45 degrees, my dear friend. So 1, 2, 3 means 90 degrees, you know. You are at this side, okay, you want to this side, 90 degrees. One position changing is 45 degrees for information. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is clockwise. 1 to 8 is anti-clockwise. This side clockwise, so that you try to understand. Now next one. This is first pair, second pair is this. Here, question is completed here. One is mirror image. First one is mirror image. Left side arrow came to right side arrow. Bottom one, okay, bottom only, but bottom is in right, it came to left. First one is mirror image. First one is mirror image. Means for this vertical one mirror image, what will happen, sir? These two arrows, okay. Arrows not an issue, but that lines, this one line that come to right, this one line goes to left. That's not there in D. That's not there in B. Only C. First one is mirror image for the given. First one is whether is further given. You just check it out. That's there only in one option. Right, shall I go for the next one? Analogy concept this is. Now paper cutting, paper folding. You cut in it faster, then you unfold. What will be the scenario? You fold the paper, cut and then unfold. What will come? This is a triangular shaped paper. Okay, you fold it, cutting completed. Now you unfold. What will be your answer? Options also given there. Among A, B, C, D, which is correct? You unfold one by one. If you unfold above, what will happen if you unfold above? This part will come reflect here. So wherever this is there, this will be reflected here. This will be reflected here. This one you cut right, that will be cut here. So this will be reflected here. Okay. Now you unfold this part also, then you can see cutting area here, here, that cutting. And this one already there, like this. So if you open here, it will be like this. One by one, you need to unfold. Okay, this side shading and this one, this A wrong, D wrong, this corner is empty. Okay, D wrong. Among B and C, okay, there is one more corner, fine, this is removed. Now it goes to above, C wrong. This won't disturb, right? This won't disturb. So above one will be correct only. Here this is okay, but this one they cut. Top is no problem because this one you unfold. Okay, this one there is no cutting. When you unfold, it goes to above. This one there is no cutting, so this top also no affected. There is no effect in that. Whereas this one you unfold here, okay, it will be a problem. Okay, this one you fold it, this one you cut it here. So why displays problem? See bottom left vices. See bottom left, if you observe, this is okay, B also bottom left. That paper will be here. Here cutting happened, right? You fold it, see, this one you fold it, this one goes to this corner, you know. This corner is affected. That paper, okay, this one is here. As the cutting happen in that side, so bottom left side cutting will happen. Top is not happen. Top one safely here. When you unfold it, go to that side top. This bottom middle one, there is no effect. Means top middle also no effect. It will go directly like that. So C eliminated because of top side cutting. There is nothing like that. D eliminated because there is at least this one wrong. This one is given in the question itself. Middle there is some cutting happen. That's not given in D. Okay, so D, hope that I get the clarity. C, okay. Y, A. Okay, here right side shape. Only one cutting they given, but that is expanding. Going to be expanded. And second thing is that bottom left also need to be cut. They give a normal one. So that's minute things is going to play a role. Paper cutting, paper folding, nearly 15 examples given. Okay, but there I use some simple logic in your video saying that option elimination. So that shape which I cut must be there in the options like that I mentioned. But here more options likewise. So we need to work on it. Okay. See this next question. Here there is a cutting. Here there is a cutting. Cutting is given in that. Here. Right, when you unfold, what will happen when there is a cutting here? That cutting will affect this side also, right? When you unfold that paper, top left side, this folded, you folded like this, right? When there is a cutting here, when unfold, cutting will happen here also. When you open, that will affect to this other part as well. Entire this part. So top left and bottom right cutting is required. Okay, that's there in all options. But top right side, is there any cutting? No cutting. So here also no cutting in bottom left side. So cutting here wrong. Next, how many circles? Yeah, this one, that one shape will keep on expanding and it will give like rhombus. Fine. This is wrong. We know the center shape is like this, like triangle model or rhombus model, but here they given a square. That's blunder mistake. That's eliminated. C eliminated. Next one, among A and D, if you have a close observation, which is the problem? Is it A or D? Two circles, okay, that's fine. A. Among A and D, that center left, right and left only. Center, right and left is different. When you unfold this above one, whatever is there, that will come to here. It's like this only, not like this. Center, okay, this top side, middle, whatever is there, it will come to right side middle. Then open here also, that will become as a normal rectangle shape only. Not like this shape. This shape is different. They given triangle. No, that cutting is not there. Top middle will come to right side middle. That's how there. This questions paper cutting, paper folding need a clear observation. It will take around 40 seconds or more than that. So make a note and work on it clearly. Next one, again unfolding. So this side two arrows. So this side that cutting also will happen. It circles wherever it comes. Then again, okay, so fine. Among B circles wrong. We have very simple logic. Here also see bottom itself wrong. Bottom they given two arrows with circles attached to that. And in fact, we got bottom two, left two. Very good. A is the correct. Bottom two, left two, top two, right two. All will be enabled. Okay. That's available only in option A. Next one. Here, please, before giving the answer, I again alert you people, some options looks very similar, but one small change may be there. Please identify that. Don't decide, sir, A and C both are okay, go with A. Don't be in hurry. First, always try to eliminate the options here. Because there is some cases you may do mistakes, you need a reason. While working on the reason, you will give the answer correct. Which one wrong? Why? You question yourself why this is eliminated. Now, square is there everywhere. D correct. So here A wrong because of two squares. C wrong because squares are not placed well. Now among B and D looks very similar. What is the problem? This half part. This one. When you open, okay, it will affect to this side. When you again open, it will affect to above side. So every center of the side will be open like this. That's there in D option. It looks similar B and D, but if you work on it very close, then you will eliminate B option, then see the D. Now this shape, top right side, we have a triangle with circle. Every option you have same. One more simple logic you always need to go ahead is these shapes will follow symmetry actually. Vertically or somehow if you take one point, it will follow symmetry. This will D symmetry, no. C also, okay, horizontal if you see, above, below. This is not symmetry. Circle came in here is not okay. Vertical, no. Okay, vertically, this side, no. If you take vertical or horizontal somehow, yeah, this symmetry, this symmetry. Circle, circle. Fine, we'll check. Option A. Fine. One thing here, when you open to this side, we'll get only triangle actually. When you open to this side, only square circle will come. See, your paper folded will cover only up to this part. Very important is that. So I folded, sir. This part, if you fold, it won't cover the entire square. It will cover only half part of that. In this half part circle is there, the circle will affect you. In this one half part triangle is there, the triangle will come here. It won't, okay, don't think so I folded. This is not covering the entire square. Only half of that part covered. When you open, half only covered, half only will cover. So two circles in the right side and top, middle, two triangles required. That's anyhow all options satisfied. Now, after this, it will follow symmetry. Okay, whatever it is there in this, that will come here as well. When you open up, okay, the circle, when you need to fold like this, right? So this top one will come to bottom. This one will come to here. This will come to here. The top whatever came. So there you have a circle and one triangle. The triangle will come. Here, circle, circle, no. Circle and triangle, okay. Circle, triangle, fine. But among these two, which side it is inclined? That's also important for us. And okay, that should be opposite facing C. Listen, among B and C, why C we selected? Triangle should be in opposite side. Triangle this side, other triangle is other side, inclined. But here, that base, see, this side, this side. That small observations will play a role. Okay, so exam point of view, please check it out that. The bases of the triangle are at one side. Bases of triangle are at one side, not of the top of the triangle. So C is correct. That's why I'm suggesting you people make sure why you are eliminate the remaining options with certain reason, then you will get the correct answer. You may thought of B and C both same and you can go with among that anything, but you eliminate why okay B, why not C? You eliminate those options one by one. Now here series related question. You check certain element. Center itself, two options may eliminate. What will come in center? Before top left will come to center right. So it will be B and D elimination. Whatever top left is there before, that will comes to here. Middle. Okay. Next one, middle fine. Then among these two, what is the difference A and C? Bottom right also fine. Bottom right is there. Before that, what is the position of that? It is in top right. Top right came to bottom right. Top right came to bottom right. So now it should be arrow mark. We need arrow mark. That's available in C. Right. So see some positions, we will get the answer. So these are the questions what we gathered regarding visual reasoning.